How do you repost on Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can repost on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now it really depends upon what you are trying to repost. Are you trying to repost someone's post? Are you trying to repost someone's story, or are you trying to repost someone's reels? There are three different scenarios here. So all you have to do is basically go ahead and launch the Instagram application. First, let's get started with the story. If you want to share someone's story and if you're mentioned in the story, you'll actually find the add this to your story option. But if you're not mentioned, another thing you can do is just take a screenshot, and once you take a screenshot, you can just go ahead and then tap the plus icon here and then just allow the access, and then from here you can just add that particular story here, and once done you can just tap the add story option. Now if it is, let's say, someone's post that you want to repost, you can repost that to your story as well. But if you want to post them again, you just have to go ahead and then basically take a screenshot as we did, or you can tap the DMs icon and then tap the add this to your story option in order to add them to your story. Otherwise, you can go to the Reels tab here, tap the arrow icon again, and again tap on the add this to your story to reshare them to your story. So these were the ways and different scenarios on how you can repost on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.